Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you in 2 minutes how to create a realistic flag animation in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to File, import your image and white texture background, and I'll leave it into the description. Okay, import. I'll import like first, then I'll go to white texture and drop it into timeline. Press S to press S to increase it like this. Then set normal to stencil luma, okay, like this. Okay, now I'll go to effects and presets to add some effects here. So let me type first displacement map, double click or drag and drop, go to horizontal, change it to 25, also vertical 25. Then I'll go to effects and presets again and fast box blur to add some blur here. Radius, change it to 5. And I'll type wave warp, set none to all edges and also low to high. Then I'll go to height, change height to 5, and also width I'll change it to 85. Yeah. Okay. Right click, pre-composite. Then I'll go to layer and I'll add adjustment layer. Go to effect, color correction, and curves. I'll create curve here and that's all. It's very easy. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.